Hello and welcome to the very first of these style of videos on the channel, in which we'll be documenting the progress of the South Wales Metro. Today we'll be taking a look at and giving the first construction update from the Taff depot site. The Taff depot is being constructed to store and maintain Transport for Wales' new fleet of 36 Stadler CityLink tram trains. These are currently scheduled to enter service in late 2023, although early 2024 is probably more likely. As well as facilities to store and maintain the trains, the depot will also be home to the network control centre. Upon arriving at Taff station and getting a good view from atop the station's footbridge, the first thing I saw was the big crane that was lifting steelwork around. I don't know what these beams are for. If any of you do, please drop a comment under the video. The second thing to note while up here is the work taking place at 4th Bledin Road. The road has been closed off for a while now at the junction with Cardiff Road. Both this side and the other side of the junction will be significantly modified, with the roads raised and the ground beneath them excavated so that tracks can be installed to connect the depot to the line. I then took a walk along the side of the site, giving some good views of the work taking place, and also some very cool shots of the crane. I then walked up to the old railway bridge over the A470, and from here you can get some really good views of the network control centre that's being built as part of the site. As well as the depot, there's also a lot of work being done to the adjacent Taffswell train station. The station platforms used to be staggered and off-centre with each other, but this is now being rectified. In summer last year, a large section of the old Valleys-bound platform was demolished and a short temporary platform was added onto the end of it. Now work is taking place to build a new section of platform in line with the Cardiff-bound one, and this new section of platform is very near completion. As well as this, the station will of course be receiving a new footbridge with full disability access, and from the plans it looks like this may be in the form of a ramp rather than the lifts that are used at nearby Llandaff and Rada stations. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Apologies if the audio and editing hasn't been the best. It's the first of these videos I've done, so hopefully over time the production quality will improve. I'll leave you with some footage of the Class 150 Sprinter trains servicing Taff as well as my journey home. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next Metro update.
be arriving at Bladder. Thank you.